Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on using the Xiaomi AI image engine to enhance your images on Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening up the Settings app on your phone. In Settings, scroll down and select Display. In the display settings, scroll down and tap AI Image Engine. Now select AI Image Enhancement. This feature identifies objects such as animals and dynamically adjusts the display effects. You can enable or disable it here. You can also turn on HDR Enhancement to improve your HDR videos. Another option is MEMC, which will add additional frames to videos to make content appear smoother. All of these features do consume a bit more battery when they are switched on, so you need to decide whether they are worth it to you. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.